Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel where this week I'm focused on quick, easy paper craft projects using digital scrapbook collections. If this is something you're interested in, please click the subscribe button, and if you enjoy today's video, please hit the thumbs up. So I am starting a 5-day series focused on themed kits. The digital kits are themed to change. And each day this week, Monday through Friday, I will be releasing a new video with a super quick, easy paper craft project using these digital scrapbook collections. So today, I'm going to bring you probably what is one of the simplest, quickest projects you'll ever do. It is this candy bar wrapper. And as you can see, it includes 2 papers, some printed and cut ephemera, these butterflies, as well as a word strip, and I used a little bit of thread. So I am going to walk you through exactly how I did this. Well, first, let me share the collection that I'm using. I am using this digital scrapbook kit. It is by Amy Harrison Designs, and Amy's kit is available at a brand new digital scrapbook store, and I'm going to link it below. It is digital-artistry-online.com. Again, that will be linked below. Amy released a very large collection. I used the page kit, which is the papers that you see here, and then the ephemera. I did use my Cricut to cut out the butterflies, and I just printed and hand snipped the word art that reads, "You're my inspiration," that I used right here. This kit focuses on change, but it encompasses change in a variety of ways: personal, seasonal, emotional, paired with bold colors, which your girl loves all day long. I am in love. I've actually also used this kit to make a bookmark card. Again, hit the notification bell so you're notified when that video releases later this week. So today's, again, super quick, simple candy bar wrapper. So the measurements that I provide for our papers are so that it will fit one of these standard Hershey bars. This is the 1.55 ounce. I bought a pack. I think they came 8 to a pack on this, and I love these. You can easily adjust this. Once you see the concept, you'll see you can create it for whatever size piece of candy you are using. So I'm going to use 2 pieces of the pattern paper. And you know how much I love to mix pattern papers. I think these go together beautifully, even though they're very, very different. And that's the nice thing about her collection. It includes some very traditional printed or pattern papers, and then she has some that are these really fabulous mixed media. That looks like I've spent hours stamping and spraying and painting, and I didn't. I printed it. So let me show you how I put this together. It is so quick and fast. So I'm going to use some glue, and this piece of paper is 5 1/4 by 6 1/2, and I'm going to put those measurements below so that you can just grab them. So I'm just going to use some liquid glue. I want a tight seal on this. I don't want this coming unwrapped at any point. So we're just going to seal that up. All right, and already we're wrapped. Boom. The next step, I did stitch this. I love the look of stitching and texture, but I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm actually going to adhere the base down first, like that. Give it a good press. And then I want to pull that snug. And we're going to add some more glue. And I want to line that up so these are straight. All right, give that a press. Hold for a minute just so that that grabs. and we're wrapped. All right. So next up, we are going to add these elements like you see here. So what I like to do, I don't know if you can see, I've got dimension on those butterflies as well as have this popped up. Here's how I do that. So we're going to take a butterfly, and I find that if I hold it right there and sort of press up, and again, I'm holding my thumbnail right on the other side of the body. If you don't have fingernails, you could certainly use a ruler or something else. So you see what I did? I created the flat part. That's what we're going to adhere. But I also want to shape these wings a little bit. And I just use my thumbnail. But you could use a pen. You could do something like that. You just want to give it, that's a lot of dimension. You just want to give it a little bit of dimension and then hold that. And then when I adhere those, I will put a bead of glue down the center, but then I will also put some little pieces of foam tape under the wings so that that will hold. And we create that dimension. First though, I'm going to do my word strip. You guys see me do this a lot where I use gold thread behind it. I'm going to show you how I do it. This tape's a little wide. This is simple Dollar Tree foam tape. So I'm just going to cut it a little bit narrower. And then we're going to adhere that right on the back. Now, before I put that down, get the tape off and get it ready, we're going to wrap a little bit of gold thread. And again, I like it for texture, for interest, a little oomph. I like the flutteriness of it. And the way I do this, I mean, this is so simple. I just sort of take this gold thread, and this came from probably Joann's. So sad they're closing. How about that? That is really disappointing. I don't know where I'm going to go for this sort of stuff now. All right. And then we're going to pull it off. I've got my loop. I'm going to pull it in the center. I usually do a twist on it. See, so we've got the center. And then I'm going to adhere that to the back of that foam tape. Now, this is what I've got. I think you can see that. But just for snippiness, I'm going to cut through. And then that sort of releases it and it flies about. And then I will trim it down just a little bit because that's really large. Okay. So I'm going to put that right in the middle here. And it probably would have been smart of me to add a little bit of liquid glue on that, but I didn't. All right, so now we've got our butterflies, and I've got several here. So I am going to put a little bit of glue down the center there. I'm going to pull my tape off. Trying to do this upside down so it's on camera. There we go. All right. I'm going to put that one right there. And see, that foam just helps it hold up the shape a little while the center is adhered. Okay. And then we're going to do a little bit on here. So I did use my Cricut. I used the print and cut feature to cut out these butterflies. And I'm so excited to have mastered that. Once you do, that is really, I feel like, the key to utilizing digital scrapbook kits this way. Now, you can also hand cut these, and they wouldn't be that hard to hand cut. And I certainly have done my share of hand cutting. But on these, I wanted that really, really precise edge. I just love the look of it. All right, we only have a couple more to go. And then this project is wrapped up. So as I said, I am planning on releasing 5 videos Monday through Friday this week to celebrate the grand opening of the shop. And I encourage you to check that out. I will, of course, link it below. There are so many fabulous designers there. And I really feel like, for me, digital collections make so much sense. One, I'm running out of craft room space, so storing all of the printed paper kits that I had been investing in has become a challenge. But I also love the idea that there's no waste here. I print just what I need when I need it. And then I don't have leftovers, but also I don't run out of what I need. I think I need, here we go, I need the one more butterfly right here, and then we're gonna finish that off. So again, super quick and easy. If you give this a try, please tag Digital Artistry and myself. I would love to see your project. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, check back tomorrow, and every day this week for more in this series. Have a great day.